Hey everybody, it's Craig Fitzpatrick from Hosmer Chiropractic, and today we're going to be talking about the Sidewinder corrective exercise. Excellent exercise for anyone that has foot pronation. Again, if it was like my right foot, if your right foot's kind of like collapsing in, or if your knee collapses in, especially with runners, we see this often, sometimes with weightlifters too, but a great exercise to strengthen the foot and correct the alignment of our leg. So to do this, I'm using just a yoga strap. You can use voodoo floss, you could use a resistance band. The only reason I'm not using voodoo floss is because it's the same color as my pants, and so it wouldn't show up. So I'm using this, but you can use a belt, anything. You want something that's long enough, probably about, let's say like 6 feet long if you could. And what we're going to try to do here is right here on the bottom of your foot, right below your big toe, that's called the sesamoid bone. And we're going to try to pin that sesamoid bone right on top of the strap. We don't want it too far under the foot, but you want to get a good pin there. And what's going to happen is, again, I'm trying to push down with that sesamoid bone to make sure that I can't pull the strap off. Now, if I just did it like this, what's going to generally happen is people will overcompensate and they'll actually do the thing that we're trying to avoid. They'll collapse the foot in, the knee will collapse in. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the band behind the leg and wrap it around the outside of here at my thigh, just above the knee. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to try to push with my knee. It's almost like I'm trying to push out like that. So what that does is, by creating that pressure at the sesamoid bone and then the external rotation here at the knee, that actually creates this beautiful arch in the foot. So it helps to strengthen the foot, and it's also going to keep our body nice and aligned here. And it's going to prevent that movement pattern of the knee and the foot collapsing in. So I'm going to hold this here, and what I can do is I can even do I can start off with just balancing like this. I can do kind of like a miniature one-legged squat like this. And again, I'm just kind of training that motion that the leg goes through during a run to help strengthen that. As I get used to that, I can go into, almost lost my balance there, into a lunge like this. A lot of times we'll see people that lunge and they want to come in like this. So this is a great exercise to help prevent that. So I'm just going to stand here, boom, and up like that. Boom, and up. What's also kind of cool is you get some pretty good external rotation activation here on the opposite arm. So a 3-for-1 special here at Hosmer Chiropractic. But yeah, this is called the Sidewinder exercise. It's really good. It's very effective. I hope this helps, and we hope to see you at the clinic soon. Take care. Bye-bye.